Hey everyone, I gave CDC Pro 13 mock of CL where I got the lowest ever marks, that is 41 marks. And at this point of time, at this last phase of preparation journey, I could not even think of less than 70 marks. But the story is different for this mock. So let's quickly discuss about the individual sections. Starting from VRC, here I was able to solve 8 VA questions and 6 RC questions. But I don't know what went wrong in this section because I got even less than 10 marks for this particular section. Maybe I chose the wrong passage for me, not for everyone. Or maybe I would have wasted much time on tough questions. So, whatever it is, I'll analyze the mock after getting percentile or whenever I'll get the access to see all the questions for this mock. So let's move to the DILR section where it is supposed to get a highest marks among these three sections for me. But the story is completely different for this mock. Here I got only 14 marks even after solving two sets. For this mock I was not able to solve three sets, but even if I solved two sets I don't know what went wrong that I got only 14 marks. So maybe I would have done some mistakes while solving the sets. Maybe I would have missed some points, or maybe I would have done mistakes while interpreting the details. So for now I can't say anything. Now let's move to the quant section. Here also I was able to attempt 10 to 11 questions, but I think most of the answers were wrong. That's why I did not get a good marks. So this was all about the CDC Pro 13 mock, but the score is becoming a nightmare for me just because I we don't have much time for the actual exam. So that was it. Bye bye everyone.